I was born right after Khmer genocide. In these hard times, it was necessary to learn to cook for my family. At just 5 years old, I embarked on a journey of discovery, guided by my mother in selecting the best ingredients. It was a transformative experience that ignited my passion for cooking. While pursuing my studies and working for NGO Culinary Arts, I saw that the artwork kept alive by just a handful of masters. Our cultural heritage was so fragile. This realization fueled my determination to protect Cambodian cuisine. I started to travel all over Cambodia to meet elderly villagers who still carry our tradition, but their skills are rarely seen and their voices are rarely heard. On the way to spend time with villagers in the village, I'd like to stop and show you the bas-relief in the Bayon temple that show the livelihood during the Angkorian time. One of the things that very fascinated me in terms of rich cooking culture, culinary culture, is how they use the bamboo stick to hold all the fish in one row. So I'm excited to show you more about how we're gonna be continuing using these traditional ways of cooking until today. Okay, so come join me. Hi everyone, now we just arrived the village, a very beautiful village just nearby the Angkor Wat temple. So today we will be spending time in a family, very beautiful family, and we will be exploring with them how and what they cook. So please join me. ជំរាបសួរអ៊ំចាអ៊ំប្រុសអ៊ំស្រីជំរាបសួរបងចាហើយធ្វើអីនេះឥឡូវនេះអាំងត្បត់ត្រីអាំងត្បត់ត្រីអាំងហើយចាំមិនយើងមិនអាំងជាមួយជាទៀសធម្មតាអ៊ំអាំងនេះណាពីដើមមិញអាំងតែចេះឯងអញ្ចឹងហើយអាត្បត់ហ្នឹងធ្វើពីអីអ៊ំធ្វើពីឫស្សីចា So this is very interesting because, you know, now she is using the bamboo branch, small bamboo branch, and she make it into a tool to hold the fish and grill. And the whole thing, this one is called dam bot. So as you can see, you know, we don't only just practice the way we've been using, the way we've been cooking, but we also have specific names for different tools as well. Today, even with the very, you know, modern technology, we still practice the way we did. Bị Khmer mau hột đo lử á, sọc phum dưới nước lóc hộp bài mấy đấy ông. Mà hộp, men tả hơ, men mà chu, men ăn đọt tao cơ. Mà hộp ấy men trơn phân rồi nhưng này đôi thả le bên lâu ôi về trơn tao cơ, xem bô tao cơ cây này đôi thả. Tao mày dương miên dân đó nó ông nó. Hay đặc biệt mà hộp dưới có trơn một tao nâng đấy nó ông. Ồ chà vô lại ông. Learning with local cooks allows me to showcase the unique flavors that reflect the true essence of Cambodian cuisine. In 2021, the world took notice as my first cookbook introduced Cambodian cuisine to a wider audience. This recognition motivated me to continue provide cooking classes, home dining, and homestay experiences at Chef Nat Culinary Arts Center. Recently, I unveiled my latest masterpiece, Sawi, a tribute to our cultural heritage. We believe in the vision that Cambodian food deserves much better, and the world should know about it. The book is representing the history of our food, our culture, the diversities, and also the influences. Through my efforts, I aim to ensure that the legacy of Cambodian cuisine lives on for future generations. I invite you to join me in my mission to keep our tradition alive, and together we can ensure that the future generations and people from all over the world experience the rich tapestry of Cambodian flavors. I'm Chef Nak. Thank you.